channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to create this boho look. This is the most requested look since I have posted a reel on Instagram. So without further delay, let's straight move into the video.
Starting with the moisturizer, here I'm using Nutriderma moisturizing lotion. Then I'm using Lakme Absolute Primer. For foundation, here I'm using PAC HD Full Coverage Foundation. To blend the foundation, here I'm using a blender which is from Plume Co. After that, I'm using concealer. It's from Sugar. It's in the shade 12 Con Leche. Next, I'm using Wet n Wild contouring palette, and from this palette I'm using banana powder to set my foundation. Then I'm applying bronzer. Today I'm using powder blusher. It's from Lakme. To define my eyebrows, here I'm using Sugar's eyebrow definer. Now to create a smoky look, here I'm using Sugar's Kohl Kajal. It has a little bit of glitter also. Now I am smudging the kajal with a pencil brush. After that, I am applying a little bit of brown color from the bronzer shade and blending it all along together. Then I am applying kajal. It's from Sugar. Then I am smudging the kajal with a bullet type of brush. Then I will apply mascara. It's from Sugar. Now to set my base, here I am using MAC Prep Plus Prime Setting Spray. For highlighter, today I am using Sugar's highlighter. Here I am using lip liner. It's from Colourpop. After that, I am applying matte nude liquid lipstick from Maybelline. It's in the shade Birthday Suit On. So my makeup is done. Let me just quickly show you all my full look.
So that's all for today's video. I hope you all have loved this video. Then please do like this video, share this video. Also let me know in the comment section if you want to see any other looks as well. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. And I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.